Don't fill it up to the top. Stop it, stop it.
Alright, we're here at Paul's little cafe.
You're okay, you're okay.
Yeah, bro. Filmmaking, bro. Alright, man, let's get it. ABY Cafe.
Bye.
So it looks like that's how the pros make their coffee. Alright, first job of the day. I've been asked to put ice in this cup.
3.5 quarter feet.
3.5. I was like 3.5 is crazy. Alright, that's okay, that's done.
Bye.
50% of the effort was mine. The ice, bro. Alright guys, so been given my next task. I'm supposed to pack up a carrot cake. This is, which one's a carrot cake? Oh, this one's a carrot cake. Okay. I'm supposed to pack this one, the carrot cake up. This tongue is what we use?
Yeah.
Bro, I love this rabbit. So cute.
Oh, okay.
Alright, task 2 completed. Task 2 completed. We packed up a carrot cake.
Give me the carrot.
Sheesh.
Bye.
What do you think is like a good one for me to start on?
Iced coffee, bro.
Alright guys, so we're at the final part now, which you've all been waiting for. We're gonna be making our first coffee. Now since I'm not that good with foaming the milk or steaming the milk, we're gonna make a cold coffee, so just a basic iced coffee. Oh, was that black one? Oh, what? It automatically does it?
Yeah. Don't fill it up to the top.
Ah!
Stop it, stop it.
Bro.
Oh, that's crazy. What? Look what he said.
It's automatic, so just, you know.
Bye.
Time for that ice, which I've done before, so I've got experience in this.
3.5 quarter feet.
3.5, so
Yup, get the ice, man.
easy job. That's it.
Type shit.
Type shit. See, first try, guys. You guys ready for the moment?
Yup.
Ready? We're gonna be using the barista oat milk. Wait, the barista oat milk.
Yup. Bye.
We finally made it. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the gradient transition. Gradient transition, guys.
Yup. Let me just stir it up.
You want to stir it up? And that is that iced coffee. I'm gonna give it a taste. Wait, this is supposed to be for a customer. Nah, I'm gonna just. It's good. You can really feel the hazelnut in there. No, I'm not much of a coffee fan, but it's good. I like 100%. It's good.
It's not bad for first coffee.
Yeah. Would you hire me?
Yeah.
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 I made the coffee. We've enjoyed the coffee. Paul's outside packing the exterior. I'm about to start on the interior. Just kidding. I don't know how to pack up because I don't know where things go. Like, I don't want to mess it up. So. We're done.
And that's how we do it.
That's it.
That's how
Thanks for that, bro.
Yeah, all good, G.
Catch you in the next
Good,
video, guys.